Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm really excited. We're gonna be doing an unboxing of the Spring 2019 FabFitFun box. Before we get into it, just very quick, I wanted to let you guys know I'm actually filming on a Saturday, so the kids are home and they have a friend over. They may be loud, so if you hear something in the background, that's what's happening. I usually try not to film on weekends, but I just got this box and I really wanted to open it, so I thought I would go ahead and just sit down and film this real quick. So FabFitFun, if you're not familiar with what they do, they are a quarterly box. So it's not a monthly subscription box. You just receive one each quarter, just at the beginning of a new season. So this one here is for the spring of 2019. There are some really unique things about FabFitFun. First of all, you can customize your box, which I think is really cool. They give you a few different options for things to pick from, and you can go on and customize which one you would prefer. Now, you don't get to totally curate your box, but you do get options, which I think is fantastic. I don't think I've seen any other subscription box that does that. Let me know if you guys know of another one that does that, but I am really excited. I've only tried FabFitFun one time. I did purchase that one with my own money, and that I want to say it was like 2 years ago. It's been a while, and I just wanted to try it, and that particular box I was kind of disappointed with. But I've been watching unboxings of them over the past few months, and I feel like they've gotten really good. And they did reach out to me and asked if they could send this one to me for free. I am partnering with FabFitFun on this unboxing today, so that's really exciting. Of course, all of my opinions are always my own. I feel like I don't need to make that disclaimer every time. I'm going to tell you guys what I think regardless, but they did send me this box for free to share with you guys. So like I said, it's just 4 times a year that you get this box. It is $49.99 for each box, but they do claim to have over a $200 value in each box as well. So if that is true, if it's really $200 worth of product, it's definitely a great deal. The nice thing about FabFitFun as well is it's kind of a combination of different things. It's not just makeup, not just lifestyle. It's kind of you do get a variety of products in there, so I'm really excited to see what's inside. Now, if you guys are interested in trying out this box for yourself and it's your first time trying it, I do have a coupon code, which is just Stevens10, and that will save you $10 off your first box. Also, if you are interested in trying out FabFitFun, whether it's your first time or like if you're like me and you've tried it before and you want to go back and try it again, this particular box, the spring box, is still available, which is really nice. A lot of times with like other subscription services, you can't get the one that you see and you have to sign up for the next box. This box is available now, so if you're interested, I would say hurry on over there, select the items that you're interested in, and make sure to use that $10 off code as well. Okay, enough talking. I cannot wait to see what I got in mine because I have actually, like I said, seen other people's unboxings, but every one is a little bit different, so I want to see which ones I got. I'm very excited. So, got my scissors here. I'm going to go ahead and open it. Okay, so I broke the seal and I'm going to open it up and we'll see what's inside. Oh, it's kind of heavy, so it's and big, so it's kind of awkward to hold, but wow, it's really pretty. Box. The inside of the box is really beautiful. I'm definitely going to repurpose this box. I always try to repurpose large boxes like this for shipping my Poshmark packages, so never let them go to waste. But yes, right on top they have their like little magazine, and also it looks like a HelloFresh coupon code. I have used HelloFresh before, by the way, and I'm not a fan of them. But here is the product. So I'm going to set this down so I can start pulling them out. Okay, I'm just going to pull out like in no particular order what I find on top. The first thing I see is this body lotion from Lavito. I hope I'm saying that right. Let me give you a close-up. So that is what it looks like. I don't know where to see the prices, so I'm gonna set it aside. I don't want to look through the booklet right now because if it has everything in there, we'll go through prices at the end, but that's the first thing that came in my box. Okay, next up I got a jump rope. So this is from 11 by Venus, and it's just a jump rope, it says. So I'll give you guys a close-up. I won't be able to use this now. If you guys didn't see it, I just uploaded, it would have been, you would have seen it yesterday. I just uploaded it today actually, but an update on my pregnancy. I can't do any like very physical activities right now because of my IUD and the baby, so I won't be able to be using this now, but this will come in handy when I'm getting ready to lose the baby weight after the baby is out and healthy. So for now, this will be set aside, but I'll definitely get some use out of it later on. Oh, what is this? Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, so this says it's from Key, Australia, and it says My Girl. I think they're sunglasses. I was actually just looking at buying some new sunglasses just yesterday because I have a pair of Keys, but I'm horrible with my sunglasses. I use and abuse them. I just throw them in the bottom of my purse and they get scratched to death, and then I need new ones. It's awful. But this does come with a case, so I will be better about taking care of them. I need to. Oh, okay. I don't know if these are my style though. Okay, let me pull them out. These have like the kind of cat eye kind of, how is this pulled in here? They're very winged on the top here. So yeah, these are probably not my style. So I'm gonna see if my oldest daughter wants them. Otherwise, maybe one of Aaron's daughters would like these. They're very young, I feel like, maybe a little too young for me, but they are cute, just not my particular style. But I know Key makes really good sunglasses. I have owned from them in the past. I really like the case though. That's nice. I might use that for my other pair. Okay, let's keep going. There's still a lot in here. Oh my gosh, I'm peeking ahead and I'm getting really excited. Okay, I was really hoping this would be in the box that they sent me because I saw other people's unboxings and I saw this and I really wanted it. It's from Show Me Your Moo Moo, and this is like a robe. But I'm gonna open this up so I can show you guys. This is a brand I've been looking for, like as a reseller. When I go thrifting, I always look for this brand and I've never found it. I feel like it's a little bit more popular in the South. I don't think that it's very popular where I live in the Seattle area, but I've always kind of hoped to come across it. Oh my gosh, the print on this is so beautiful and so spring. I'm so ready for spring. Oh my gosh. I might bring this with me in my hospital bag when I go to deliver the baby. I think it's so beautiful and it's very soft. It has like a tie around the waist, but I mean, it's hard to show you guys from this angle, but it's just a really very cute robe, and it's a shorter length. It's not a long robe or anything like that, and it's lightweight, so yay, I'm really excited about that item. The next thing in here is one of these thermoses. This is from Sip by Swell. I haven't owned this brand before, but I really love using reusable thermoses. The one that I usually use is glass, but I know these ones are really good for hot and cold drinks because it will retain the hot and the cold. And this has like little, it's kind of a peachy color and it has like little whales on it. I'll give you guys a close up. So it's very cute little pattern on there. I feel like my oldest daughter is gonna steal this. She likes to bring thermoses like this to school with her water in it. And this is very much her style. So I feel like she's gonna try to steal this from me, but we'll probably end up sharing that guy. Wow, there's still a few more products in here. I'm really impressed so far. Really, really impressed actually. Okay, so next is this eye cream. This is from Dr. Brandt. It's the No More Baggage Depuffing Eye Gel. I'm really excited about this. I got this once, I wanna say in a BoxyCharm, and I had so much eye cream, I actually ended up putting it in a giveaway, but I think I might keep this one because I just finished off an eye cream this morning, and when I went to pull out a new one to replace it, I was like, man, I don't feel like I have as much as I thought I did. So anyway, maybe I've stashed them away somewhere. I'm not sure. I'll have to look closer. But anyway, I'm really excited. I haven't actually ever tried this, so I do know I love Dr. Brandt products, so that's something I'm excited to see in there, and I know it's a high price item as well. Next, we have a product from the brand Way. This is the leave-in conditioner. I'm actually excited that this was in here. I don't use a lot of hair products, but a leave-in conditioner is something I actually would use sometimes. It's good for detangling. And I know Way is a very high price brand, but the only product I've ever tried from them is their mousse that was like a dry shampoo mousse, and I hated that actually. I really didn't like it. I felt like it didn't do anything and the texture was weird to me. But I'm excited to try something else from their line because I feel like I've heard so many good things about them. I think maybe I just didn't get along with that product, and I'm excited to explore the brand a little bit more. Okay, and then the last thing before we go over pricing and whether I think that it's a good value or not is this here. Where's the front of this? Oh, here we go. This is from Mana Kadar. This is a really generous size, and this is a champagne charcoal scrub. Ooh, that sounds lovely. I love body scrubs. I'm actually almost out of the one I've been using. I do have a backup, but this could be my backup of my backup, I guess. Oh my gosh, that has a very strong scent. It smells really familiar, but I can't think of, oh, it smells like a grape Jolly Rancher. That's exactly what it smells like. Okay, that's not what I expected for the scent, but I am excited to try it. I always like a good body scrub. So let's go ahead and look at the pricing now of everything. I found it. I found the pricing. Oh, okay. So the nice thing about this catalog too is it shows you what your options are. So for example, the first thing on the list was the Show Me Your Moo Moo robe. This has an $84 value. I'm not surprised. Show Me Your Moo Moo is a very nice brand, so I'm not surprised about the price on that. But you could have chosen, if you go online and customize your box, you could have chosen a really cute backpack or unplugged meditation aromatherapy diffuser instead. Of the three, this has the highest value if you're looking at value only, but of course value is subjective. It depends on if it's something you're gonna use or not. Of the three, I'm glad I got this. The backpack is really cute as well. I saw Jessica Braun did an unboxing of this box and she got the backpack, and I would have been totally happy with that as well. I'm glad I didn't get the diffuser because I already own one and it wouldn't be something I would have been excited about. But let me show you real quick the catalog. Okay, so as you can see, this is what I received right here. This is the backpack I mentioned, and then the aromatherapy diffuser. I can't say that. So this was like $85. I can't see it now, but I think this was around $85, this was around $75, and this was, I think, $55, going off memory. But that's really nice that it shows you what your other options were as well. And if you're customizing your box, you can just go on and look at these and select the one that you prefer. Oh, okay, so the next row is the key sunglasses, and it says that these actually have a retail value of $55. I'm kind of disappointed because I see right next to it on the catalog they had another option for the same brand sunglasses from Key again, but a different style. Is like an aviator style that I definitely would have worn, so that's okay. These are still really good sunglasses, and I know I'll find a good home for them, someone who's gonna really love them, and I can't be mad at that. That's a really good value, $55. I mean, this alone pays for your box, just these sunglasses. So far, we've already doubled the value of the box. Next up was the lotion. This here had a retail value of $19. I really don't know anything about this brand, so I can't really speak to quality. All I can say is for this size of a lotion, I think 19 might be a little high, but I don't know. I don't know what ingredients they have in here. I don't know, like I said, about the brand. Oh, I did just see that it is an organic, certified organic sourcing, it says, for the ingredients. So yeah, I can't really say a lot about this. Of what I see on here though, the other options that it's showing is a mystery item. It doesn't tell you what it is, with a retail value of $20 or more. And the other item was measuring spoons, which I'm glad I did not get. So yeah, for me, this could have been left out of the box, and I don't know, not something I was excited about. Okay, next up, what was the next item? Oh, the Sip and Swell. Oh, okay, so this here has a retail value of $19.99. That sounds about right. The other option you could have gotten on this row that I probably would have picked over this was a Ciate London translucent setting powder. I would like to try that setting powder, and the packaging on it looks beautiful, and that one's a $22 value, so very comparable value for the two items. But yeah, I'm happy with this item. I think it's still a really good item. And then the next thing on the list is the jump rope, and this has a retail value of $15. Of the three items on this row for the choices, this is the one I probably would have picked. So that's exciting that they sent me what I would have picked again. A couple different rows now I've had that. So that's very exciting. Oh, okay, so these three items came in every box. It looks like these were the non-customizable items. So the Dr. Brandt eye cream, this has a retail value of $42, and the Way leave-in conditioner has a retail value of $26, and then the Manicadar body scrub has a retail value of $24. Let's talk about value. So do I think this box was worth $50? Absolutely. Absolutely worth $50. I think just the fashion items that I got alone, these two items, in my opinion, are over the $50 value. I would have paid $50 for just these two things. So getting all the rest of this in addition to that, I think is a fantastic deal. It only makes it a good deal if it's stuff you're gonna use though, so that's what you have to keep in mind. I know I will use this, like I said. I know I'll find a good home for these. If they were a different style, I would definitely wear them. I know I'll use the eye cream and what else? The jump rope I'm going to be using, and the thermos I'll definitely be using. I'll try these 3 body care items, or body care and hair care item. I'll try these. I'm not as excited about these as the rest of the items in my box, but I mean, that's a lot of stuff to be excited about for just a $50 price. So would I have paid $50 for this box? Yeah, if I wasn't on a low buy, yes, I would. So yeah, I mean, I like just doing these unboxings and showing you guys what's in the box so you can make an informed decision and decide for yourself if you think the box is worth it. I think especially because you can go on and make some selections to customize it to fit your needs. I think that makes it really nice and definitely worth it because you have a little bit more say in what you're getting. So, oh, you know what? I almost missed this. I have to bring this up. The sunglass row. There was 4 different options on the row for sunglasses. Like I said, there was 2 different pairs of key sunglasses. And I would have on that row selected the other pair of key sunglasses, but another selection, if you don't need sunglasses, I personally need some right now, and that's why I was excited about sunglasses. But they do also have the Korres Wild Rose Vitamin C Brightening Sleeping Facial as an option. And that actually is one of my favorite products. I love that product. I've gone through like 3 jars of it. I'm currently out of it, but I have other sleeping facials, so I haven't repurchased it because I don't need it right now. But I love that product, you guys. It leaves your skin feeling so soft. And it also is really good for brightening. So if you have like acne, scarring, sunspots, anything like that that you're trying to reduce the appearance of, that is a fantastic mask. It does have a very strong like rose scent to it though. It's pretty strong. So if you don't like rose scented products, shy away from that one. But I did want to recommend that if you are gonna go and curate your box, I would recommend that if you're not looking for sunglasses. Okay, so that is everything that came in my box. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing today. Thank you again to FabFitFun for sending me this box so I could test it out and share it with you guys today. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.